Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Spotlight not loading on Snapchat. First of all, go to your settings app, search for iPhone storage, go to your look for Snapchat and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for Snapchat and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now if that does not work, you're going to switch to mobile data and Wi-Fi. We're going to switch to Wi-Fi to mobile data from Wi-Fi to rule out network issues. Now if all of these methods do not work, just go ahead and restart your iPhone. Safety tip: do not use VPN, it blocks Spotlight content. Quick fix: log in and log out and log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.